Hello, dear learners. Today, I have a funny story for you. It is about a man called Jalal and something unexpected that happened at a restaurant. Listen carefully and enjoy the story while learning English. One day, I was having dinner at a restaurant. Suddenly, Jalal came in. Jalal used to work as a middleman. Now, he works at a bank. He has a high salary. It covers all his expenses. But there is a problem. He borrows a lot of money from his friends and never pays it back. Jalal saw me from a distance. He came to me and sat at the same table. Honestly, he has never borrowed money from me. While he was eating, I asked him something. I said, "Can you lend me 20 dirhams?" To my surprise, he did not hesitate. He gave me the money immediately. Then he smiled and said, "My friend, I have never borrowed any money from you. So now, you can pay for my dinner."